Hi Taurus, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be looking at your energies for the week starting from 18th till 24th of October. In this video, I'll be looking at your past, present and future energies. Okay, so this is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you. So take what resonates and leave the rest. And let's see what is there for your reading for my Taurus. From 18th till 24th of October, Sun, Moon, Rising in Venus. To book a personal reading with me, you can go to my Instagram page by the name The Magical Aura. The link is given in the description box below. So you can DM me over there if you want. Alright. Let's see. What is there for my Taurus? Taurus 18 till 24th of October. Taurus energies. Sun, Moon, Rising in Venus. 18 till 24th of October 2021. Sun, Moon, Rising in Venus. At the back of the deck, we have the Four of Swords. Okay, so things could be slow, but they require action right now. Okay, your overall energy is trying to tell you that whatever decision or whatever situation you are in, if there is some kind of a decision which is involved around you, you can take a little rest. You can pause for some time, then take that decision. Because action is required, but not exactly at this particular time. So your energies, your overall energy could be a kind of restlessness, but still you want rest before, okay? Because you are feeling restless, so you want rest, all right? Let's see. In the past, we have 10 of Pentacles, Queen of Pentacles and Page of Wands. So yeah, I feel there were a lot of opportunities which could have come up in the past for you. But the decision, there could be a person involved for something new because you found this person or the situation very attractive. You were feeling like, okay, I cannot resist the situation. It could be a marriage with a person, with somebody who was your first crush. Okay, just love at first sight kind of a thing. Because you found the person was very generous, the person was very much practical, and yeah, you found that thing. But I really feel that this thing was a little impatient. Okay, you were a little impatient for the situation which happened in the past. Marriage decision, it could be something, some kind of financial decision. You wanted to put some money into something, but this thing was a little sudden. You were a little impatient to take that decision, and because it felt good. Obviously from the outside it felt nice, it felt good, it felt generous. So that is why the decision was made. Okay, so in the present we have 9 of Wands, the Empress and Page of Swords. So you could be you now could be blocking something. Okay, it could be something like the same situation which was in the past. From the same situation, you are blocking that thing again in the present. You are trying to be, or you're trying to be prepared for a war. You kind of see how this how beautifully this girl is standing over there. She might be preparing for the war. I see humanitarian energies, but more than that I am seeing restless energies where you are ready to prepare prepare for the war, and you are really ready for some kind of a situation where you are not ready to give up. It's not give up kind of a time. You are ready for the war, and the things are quite fast. You are ready also, but still you are feeling restless. We will see what exactly the situation is in the cards. In the coming future, we have Seven of Cups, Four of Wands, and transformation. So transformation is the death energy. Okay. Um, okay. So it feels like in the coming future, whatever decision making which has to be done in the present, you might be little delayed for that thing in the past as well. I do not see strong fast energies, honestly saying, but yes, in regards with a marriage or in regards with our decision making, the decision making will be done, but not by you. Maybe it could be by the other person, because you could be feeling still a little, how to say, a little confused about it. Let me clarify. Tell me more about the Four of Swords, the overall energy. You might be feeling a lot exhausted, because Four of Swords and Nine of Wands has come up together. I see a lot of exhaustion around you, and you really need sleep, my dear friend. Taurus, you are really feeling restless. You want sleep, you want to be nurtured, you want some self-care, because you're not taking time for yourself. You are going into some kind of a depression, whatever the situation is. It could be a female situation where a female is involved in the past. Let me clarify now. Four of Cups, Five of Cups, and King of Pentacles. Yeah, definitely. So the King of Pentacles, this is you. You wanted stability, but all the things which this person brought in your life was instability. You started having a trauma. You started feeling some kind of a trauma, or some kind of a rejection. You do not want instability. You want to reject all those people who are trying to create chaos in your life, and that is why some chaotic things are going on in your life. Tell me more about the Queen of Pentacles in the past. Four of Wands, Death, and Knight of Wands. Yeah, definitely it could be a marriage decision. It could be a celebration decision where you wanted celebration, but all the things which other person wanted was the ending. You wanted to start new, you start afresh, but all things ended all of a sudden, and it actually happened really sudden. You wanted happiness, like long time, full time happiness with this thing, but it didn't give you. It didn't finish. What you started, it was not finished. Tell me more about the Page of Wands. I feel that you were passionate about it, but it was the opposite party or the other person who was not passionate about it. The Sun, Three of Pentacles, and Queen of Swords. You wanted to make things happen. There could be a third party situation as well in this thing. Where some other person was also involved, and because of that other person, things went really bad between you and your family or your person. But yeah, this is basically somebody who is not giving the effort which you are giving. So I don't see any effort from the other end towards you. Tell me more about the Nine of Wands. You're standing over there like, I'm not going to give up, I am ready. Although you are tired, but still you are saying that I'm ready. Two of Pentacles, Ten of Pentacles, and Eight of Swords. You want this, okay, but where you are here. You're feeling that I'm stuck, I am not able to go anywhere, I'm not able to do anything, I'm not able to take decisions. And see, what you want stability, you want a happy family, you want somebody to be with you like a family member, such a beautiful energy, but you are feeling stuck. You might be dealing with two things at a time. Okay, so it could be some kind of a balance you are trying to make with your family, with your professional life, and you're not able to give that time. So that is why you are tired, because you are trying to balance a lot of things at a time. You have to take one thing at a time, Taurus. You cannot solve all the situations all of a sudden just like this. No, things take time. Tell me more about the Page of Swords. Two of Swords, the Emperor, and Eight of Wands. See, you want things to just go so fast. You want things to end fast, to go fast, everything to come at your place. You know, whatever you want it in your side. Obviously, everyone wants like that. But things take time. And because of that, you are feeling, you're trying to put your energy at a place where you're just risking. Okay, with the Two of Swords, I really feel, see how this person is with his closed eyes, he is putting like a dart over there. He's playing dart. You cannot just focus like that. You need focus. You need to just put your energies into something which requires 100% focus. You cannot put 50% focus here, 10% focus there, 40% there. No, you have to put all 100% focus into one thing. Okay, one thing at a time. Alright, so that is why your future energies are coming up with the Seven of Cups. Tell me more about the Seven of Cups. You're not clear what you want, I feel. Six of Swords, Six of Pentacles, and Knight of Cups. See, you are unclear, although you want to go, you want to move forward, you want to be happy, you want happiness for yourself. You might be asking help from somebody, so somebody else might be giving you some kind of an advice, something, but yeah, you need some change, honestly saying, Taurus. You cannot just do all the things which I already told you. I'm seeing you are stuck into a pile of, in front of a pile of files. There are piles of files in front of you, and you have to do everything. No, you cannot. You have to take one file, you have to complete it, then come to the next. Okay, so this is how it will happen, and that is why I'm seeing transformation at this is the last card. This will only come when you will release some old beliefs, when you will release your old problems. Okay, Six of Wands, Eight of Cups, and Three of Swords. See, things will come towards an end. When you will change your priority, things will change. You cannot be at same place all the time. No, things will change. Okay, so you are thinking too much that things might not end, but things will end. So start doing one thing at a time. So this is some kind of message for you today. Okay, so that is all from my side, my dear Taurus. I hope that helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.